Is infinity plus 1 bigger than infinity? No, infinity plus 1 is not bigger than infinity. Infinity is not a regular number you can count with. It represents something that never ends. So adding 1 to something that's already endless does not make it more endless. So think of it like this: if you have a infinite list of numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and continue. It already goes on forever. So adding one more number does not change the fact that it's still infinite. So in mathematics, especially in lemmas and set theory, infinity plus 1 equals infinity. Infinity plus 1000 equals infinity, and infinity plus anything finite equals infinity. However, there are different sizes of infinity, a deeper topic in set theory, but that's not about adding 1. It's about comparing different infinite sets.